This stunning self-promotion for Meyers printing expertly combines stunning construction, interactivity, a sense of holiday nostalgia, and did I mention the hidden compartment yet? Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of Paper Specs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. Though today's printing and finishing technologies give us the ability to create stunning packaging, little of what we see when it comes to self-promotions really creates this sense of wonder that you hope to achieve when you approach a new client or remind an existing one of your capabilities. Well, not so these very clever self-promotion kits from my good friends at Meyers Printing. Available in 3 different themes, the unique packages expertly combine clever construction with a sense of, well, in my case, good old-fashioned holiday spirit. Designed by Meyers Printing's Dominique Ableidinger and Michelle Willingans and offset printed with 6 colors at Meyers, the holiday box arrived in a pristine white corrugated box decorated with the printer's logo and an illustration that ties into the theme of the piece inside. Opening the carrier reveals another delightful illustration on the inside of the lid, as well as a message that gets right to the point. It's the most wonderful time of the year to make your holiday packaging. Inside the box rests the promo piece itself, snugly nestled within a white die-cut insert, ensuring that it doesn't shift during transit. As you'll see, this is something that has been paid extremely close attention to through the whole creation of this beautiful kit. Featuring snowy illustrations, the top of the box is affixed to the lower base by a zip strip printed with appropriately themed holiday banter, which wraps around all 4 sides of the package. Removing the strip frees up the top of the box to reveal a tiny winter wonderland. Inspired by traditional snow globes and the holiday nostalgia of the people at Meyers Printing, the village scene inside is comprised of 3 different die-cut illustrations, which gives it a powerful 3D effect, made even more impactful by the silhouettes of buildings printed on the inside of the box behind them. This is one of those pieces where you discover more and more details the longer you study the scene. But wait a minute, is that a thumb notch beneath the stage? Yes, it is. A gentle tug opens what turns out to be a drawer in which Meyers Printing's business cards are invitingly presented at an angle for easy viewing thanks to the clever way the drawer was constructed. The cards can be easily removed with the help of another thumb notch. Again, it's the little details that make this piece so extraordinary. The next one, though, is far from little. It's nothing short of genius. That's because the entire business card drawer and street scene fold up like a Murphy bed to reveal one more surprise beneath. A secret compartment that can be opened with, you guessed it, another handy thumb notch. Hidden inside is a festive jingle bell, though this doesn't come as a complete surprise for those of us who automatically shake gift boxes when we receive them. From the clear call to action on the inside of the shipping box lid to the interactivity that allows us to fold and unfold this wintry scene, I can see this piece gracing designers' shelves and desks long after all the other holiday paraphernalia has been packed away. This truly is a gift that keeps on giving all year long. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.